Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. So the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top where we have empty space, this one is touch area. So, to increase the volume, by default, firstly I will show you by default how to do this and then how to customize it. You need to press one time at the right earbud. You just press on it and you will, as you can see at this widget, you will increase the volume. To lower it you need to press one time at the left earbud. And again, just press one time and look at this widget, I lower the volume. Now, how to customize it? You need to open EARFUN Audio app. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and right here we have customize controls. Tap at this line, and as you can see we have a single press to lower the volume on the right earbud, we have single press to increase the volume, and you can add it for the double press, triple press, press and hold, it's up to you. Let's say I wanna add it for the double press for the left earbud, I wanna volume down my music, and with the right one I wanna volume up my music. And now let's check it. So I press 2 times, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go, and now let's check the left one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It works also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!